Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Computer Management or Server Manager and going straight to local users and groups. Create the new account, type a clear username and a strong password, and set password options. Choose password never expires, only when justified. Once done, add a full name and description so you recognize the account later. Make sure you don't leave default passwords. Change them if you copied from a template. This gets the account ready for remote access configuration without delay. Next, give the user explicit remote access. Add them to the Remote Desktop Users group so they inherit basic RDP permissions. Then check Local Security Policy under Local Policies, right arrow User Rights Assignment, and confirm Allow Logon through Remote Desktop Services includes that group. This fixes subtle deny overrides. Once done, open System Properties, Remote tab, enable Remote Desktop, and confirm which users are allowed. Make sure network-level authentication settings match your client capabilities, so connections won't be blocked unexpectedly. Finally, update the firewall to allow Remote Desktop inbound rules for the relevant network profile and confirm any port changes in use. From your client, initiate an RDP session using the server IP or hostname and the new credentials. Map drives or printers if needed, and verify access to intended resources. If you can't connect, first check Windows Firewall and the Remote Desktop Services status. Then review network-level authentication and group policy restrictions. These are the most common causes when credentials are correct, but access is blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.